morning, ladies and gentlemen. Presenting to you the 17th edition of Knowledge Day. The 17th edition, the 8 speakers, the 2 sessions, the 25 countries, and more than 1500 delegates. This is what we have today for Knowledge Day. This Knowledge Day has been architected with the help of Knowledge Day Committee consisting of Mr. Harish Garware, Dr. R.K. Jaiswal, Dr. Vijay Makhija, Dr. Jayaraman, Dr. Jitendra Verma, and Dr. Rahul Kulkarni. Yes, we have considered the feedback given in the last year, Pan India, then we invited the inputs on Google Forms to have the burning issues and the topics on which the industry wants to listen the speakers on this occasion. Had almost 10 hectic online meetings, jot down the priorities and the topics, and hats off to Dr. Vijay Makhija for arranging all these 10 online meetings. The topics which have been prioritized depending on the national needs and also on the business issues, I think again this year I'll request you and encourage you to fill the feedback forms given to you and guide us for the next year through the course of action. Today, as the theme says, sustainable and profitable poultry farming for Viksit Bharat, we do have with us not only a voracious reader, but a prolific writer also, Dr. Tarun Sridhar, our former Secretary, Department of Animal Husbandry, Government of India, who is going to have his opening remarks and also navigate through Viksit Bharat, the role of poultry. We do have Mr. Sunil Kataria, MD Godrej Agrovet, who is going to deliver the keynote address. The list which have been, the topics which have been listed, amongst that on top was the concern regarding avian influenza, and I am happy to share with you that today Professor Suresh Mittal from Purdue University are with us, who is going to deliver on role of vaccines in controlling high pathogenic avian influenza. Then the topic that has given a new spark altogether during our deliberations was marketing strategies for rural India or the rural market, and for this we do have 2 eminent speakers with us. One, Mr. Sanjay Panigrahi, who is going to talk about unlocking the potential of rural market for eggs, and Mr. Ravi Banka, who is going to talk about the potential of rural market for chicken. Yes, nutrition also plays an important role. So for the production and productivity is concerned, and we do have Ms. Marija Bell. She is going to talk about the dynamics of protein. Our dynamic industry leader, Mr. O.P. Singh, today he is going to talk about emerging and collective wisdom and re-scripting the industry DNA, altogether a new thought to enter into a Viksit Bharat with a new role. Yes, environmentally controlled houses always plays an important role. So for the productivity of birds in concern, and we do have Mr. Ricardo, who is going to talk about outlook of environmental controlled housing in India. And then altogether the need of the hour and the demand, whether GM, soya and maize will ever remain a question for us, and to deliberate upon this, the outlook of genetically modified corn and soybean meal in India, we have Mr. Deepak Parekh with us. And at the last, after having a scientific deliberations, the business opportunities and challenges, we are going to have our last session of a motivational speaker. Ladies and gentlemen, a person behind several aspects in the Kashmir and also on several missions, including a book on Operation Sindoor, Lieutenant General J.S. Dhillon, KJS Dhillon, he is going to have his motivational speak in the last. So today we have a power-packed session, 2 technical sessions and a motivational speaker. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy the Knowledge Day which our Knowledge Day team has presented and placed before you. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.